Welcome back to Amtrak to Denver Part 4. In this episode, we will be covering a landslide that delayed our train for approximately 5 hours just outside of Glenwood Springs, Colorado. In the following video, the Amtrak Trails and Rails guide aboard our train will explain the situation in more detail.
Ladies and gentlemen, out the left-hand side of the train, you can see they have had a flash flood right here. That is what
Flash floods look like.
there. There's created some waterfalls from it here on the left-hand side, very muddy waterfalls.
Oh yeah, they're coming down.
But
Wow.
all the mud is in the river from this flash flooding they've had here right now.
Wow.
And a little bit of hail.
Oh, there you go. This is a good one.
Wow.
You filming? You
Wow,
filming?
look. Yeah,
Okay.
look at all the hail.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Oh, there's more water flowing down. See, there's a big mud
Oh
fall. Shortly thereafter, our train came to a sudden halt. The crew explained that there was a landslide on the tracks ahead, and we were unable to move any further. Here you can see that the tracks behind us are partially covered in water. So, we've stopped because there is a lot of flash flooding here, and some of it's in the river. Some of it's on the tracks, and the train crew needs to check the tracks ahead to make sure that we can go on safely. So for now, we're just sitting here. The river's kind of full. I'm not sure if you can see this in the video, but the water is really red, kind of like the cliffs around us. And also there were sections of the road out next to the tracks earlier, and there was a car stuck in the mud. It's hailing really hard right now also. A boater is taking shelter on the side of the river here. I would not want to be stuck in this flash flood. In order to keep the train safe, the train crew was required to back the train up to a nearby siding. The conductor stands at the back of the train. She has a small device which fits over the air hose on the back of the train to create whistle sounds, which are used to signal to the engineer. She also tells the engineer how many car lengths to move at a time. She needs to make sure the track behind our train is safe so we can reverse.
Track clear, 6. Keep coming back. Clear for people. Still clear, 6. Keep shoving back. 8 cars over.
This is an extremely rare procedure to witness, as it does not often happen on trains that are already en route to their destinations.
Still clear, 6. Good for 8 over.
track clear, 10 cars, 6 over.
10 cars.
Track clear, still good for 10, 6 over. Still clear for 10 cars, 6 over. Still clear for 10 cars, 6 over.
10 cars.
Hey Chris, this black car's still here somehow, over.
Is that one still there, over?
Yeah, somehow, over.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. May I have your attention, please? Here, lounge car attendant. I am going to temporarily close here so that I can restock. So that I'm not okay, ladies and gentlemen. Lounge car is temporarily closed. We're all set at restock. Thank you.
Alright, 6 going over the bridge, clear for 10 cars, over.
After about 4 hours of delay, we were on our way again. The other hour of delay was because the landslide messed up the Union Pacific schedule. At one sighting, we waited 45 minutes to pass a freight train.